Control number 44915, please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Maria Fatima Benedicillo, 39 years old. I have 3 kids, 1 boy and 2 girls. Their ages 19, 18, and 16 years old. I have 5 brothers and 3 sisters, and I am the youngest of all.
What is your educational attainment?
I am graduated in high school
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
because I want to work in Hong Kong because of my family needs and my children's. I want to provide them.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW? Where? What kind of work you had?
I've been there in Saudi within 2 years contract finish, and Kuwait also been there in 2 years contract finish.
Do you have experience in taking care of old person? What can you do for elderly?
I will take her hair, I will give food, change diaper and vital signs, and wash clothes.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children? What can you do for babies?
Give them feeding, wash clothes, and change diaper.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skill you can do inside the
Sewing
house?
and cooking.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
Chinese food like steamed fish, Filipino food like menudo and tinola, and
During misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
I will apologize and I will say sorry.
Describe yourself as a housemaid. What are your characteristics that your employer will like you?
I am honest and hardworking.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How do they treat
They are
you?
treated me like a family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Good day, ma'am and sir. If you will choose me as a domestic helper, I will give you my best, and I will do everything what you want. And I will promise I will finish my contract with you in 2 years, then more than much, and I thank you so much.